Prime Minister Harper, I have a very important message for you today. By December the 10th, you will have decided whether or not to sell Canadian Oil Company Nexen to China. That day also happens to be International Human Rights Day, a day people celebrate around the world for the United Nations General Assembly's adoption and proclamation of Universal Declaration of Human Rights. In Tibet, however, just yesterday, Chinese authorities cracked down once again on peaceful protesters. This time, young Tibetan students who fought for their language, who resisted Chinese rule, and fought for rights and freedoms that we in Canada take for granted. We have a proud history of standing up for those in need, and we have a proud history of holding steadfast to our beliefs in justice, freedom, and human rights. I hope you will do what is expected of any great leader that has ever taken the reins in a free nation. Tibet needs you now, Prime Minister Harper, and with you rejecting the sale of this oil company, and by taking the lead in a multilateral forum for Tibet, we can truly bring about real change and a message of hope for everyone around the world, especially the high school students in Tibet, the nomads and farmers who have left everything behind to relay the Tibetan message, the monks and nuns who have burned their bodies in their sacred robes, to add another push to the ultimate struggle for freedom in Tibet. Tibet needs you now, Prime Minister Harper, and this is your opportunity to play an important role in changing the tide of world history.